Today we're talking about how to make $100 to $1,000 a month doing social media job. And this is very quick and easy work that you can do just through your social media accounts. But before we talk about that, if you like videos about making money online business and entrepreneurship, subscribe to this channel and tick the bell icon to get notified when I release a new video. Also, if you want a free course where I teach you step by step how I make money online, there is a link to my free course in the description down below. Now let's get into the video. So the job we're looking at today is social media evaluator. We're going to look at what sort of work you do, how you can apply for this job, how much you get paid, and how much you can work a week. So as a social media evaluator, you get paid to do different sort of tasks around different sort of social media sites. For example, one job can be to look at a company's social media pages and check their interaction. So you can check their Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and so forth, and count the likes, count the comments and views and the engagement they get, and then you report back with the numbers you have gathered. That's one of the tasks you might get, but there is much more that they might ask you to do, and the company that are hiring us is called Appen.com, and this is a very established site. And to apply to this program or this job, you have to go to Appen.com and click search jobs and find social media evaluator. And here you can see that the job is very flexible. It's part-time and only require between 1 and 4 hours a day, with your choice of 5 to 7 days a week, and you can get up to 20 hours a week of work. And that's really, really cool, because then you get a lot of work and you can actually make $1,000 a month with this. And the requirements here are it must be currently residing and able to perform tasks in Norway. And I get this because I'm from Norway. I don't know how many countries that have the possibility to join, but just go and check yourself and go to appen.com and just follow and find in the country that you live in. So after that, access to a computer or smartphone that is less than 3 years old, high-speed internet connection, ability to read and write in English, to understand and perform work tasks to customer specifications. Ooh. The characteristics for success, let's just skim through this. The ability and desire to work from home, doing internet-based work within social media platforms, active user on social media platforms such as Facebook and Instagram, good English spelling skills, basic level of computer and or smartphone, so you need to know how to use a computer. I bet you do that. Ability and willingness to comprehend and follow instructions independently, so you just have to follow what they're saying in the job description. Experience as a freelancer or other work from home opportunities. So if you have the experience, it's probably good. If you have been a freelancer before, I don't think that this is necessary. Like, they just say that this is the characteristics for success. So I think that's cool. And here you can see that Appen is a very legit company that has won awards and stuff. And that's pretty cool. There is a video that we can watch here, so let's just take a quick look at that. Alright, so you learned that you can actually work from your phone, which is really cool. And to apply, you just click the apply button and then you enter your email. And here we have a couple of different things you need to do. You need to provide a resume as well as a cover letter and just general information, native language, how fluid you are in English, and that's basically it. Now the application process might take some time. I read some people waiting 1 week and some 1 month. So if this is something that interests you and you want to apply, you should apply as soon as possible. Now, how much can you make with this? And reading some posts online, I found that they usually pay $14 an hour, which is very, very good, considering that other jobs, like for example survey sites, don't pay anywhere near as much as this. But what happens after you get approved? Well, then you have to take a short little test, which is really easy to complete, and you're certified to take jobs as a social media evaluator. There might be some jobs for you there available. If not, I would suggest you go to the jobs dashboard every day and just check for work, because the more you work, the more jobs you will get, and maybe you can hit those $1,000 months. That will be really, really cool. Now, maybe $1,000 a month isn't enough for you, and I can teach you how to make $100 a day doing what you love. The link is in the description. Go and check it out. Lots of great training. With all that being said, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video.